Imagine this. You finally style your curls. They look defined, bouncy, soft, and then, an hour later, they turn dry, puffy, and frizzy. If you have curly hair, you probably think, why is my hair always frizzy no matter what I do? But here's the truth most people never tell you. Frizz is not your hair type's fault. It's a sign your curls are missing something. And today, I'll explain why curly hair gets frizzy so easily, the biggest curly hair mistakes, and how to actually fix frizz without expensive products. This is not a trend-based routine. This is how curly hair actually works. Let's get one thing clear first. Frizz is not the enemy. Frizz is a symptom. It's your hair reacting to an imbalance. Curly hair has a completely different structure compared to straight hair. Each strand bends, twists, and curves. Because of that shape, natural oils from your scalp cannot travel down the hair shaft easily. That means the ends dry faster, the mid-lengths lose moisture easily, and curls are more exposed to the environment. When curly hair lacks moisture, the cuticle, the outer layer of the hair, opens. And when the cuticle is open, humidity enters. That's when frizz appears. So frizz is not caused by humidity alone. Humidity only reveals dryness. Curly hair is naturally drier, more porous, more sensitive. Even healthy curls can look frizzy if the routine is wrong. Many hair routines are designed for straight hair. They focus on shine, oil, control, smoothness. But curly hair needs water retention, softness, flexibility. When you use routines that don't respect curl structure, your hair reacts. Not because it's difficult, but because it's different. One of the biggest hidden causes of frizz is overcleansing. Many people wash their hair based on habits, not needs. If you wash curly hair too often or with harsh shampoos, you remove the little oil your curls actually need. This is happening. Hair feels squeaky clean, scalp feels tight after washing curls. Only look good on wash day. Frizz increases every day after clean hair is good, but stripped hair is not. Curly hair thrives on balance, not extreme cleanliness. A lot of people think their hair is damaged when it's actually just dry. Dry hair lacks water, feels rough, looks dull. Damaged hair loses elasticity, snaps easily, doesn't curl back. If your hair still curls when wet, still responds to styling, still forms ringlets, your hair is most likely dry, not damaged. And dry hair doesn't need fixing. It needs hydration. Too much protein on dry curls can actually make frizz worse. Curly hair needs softness first. Strength comes later. Products don't fail. Application fails. Curly hair. Products are designed to work with water, not without it. When you apply products on damp hair, towel-dried hair, almost dry hair, they don't spread evenly. They don't form curl clumps. They sit on the surface. That creates uneven definition, crunchy ends, frizz at the top. The real rule is simple. Water first, always. Apply leave-in, cream, or gel on soaking wet hair. Let water be the base. Curly hair remembers touch. The more you touch it while drying, the more frizz you create. Why? Because touching separates curl clumps, lifts the cuticle, disrupts curl formation, scrunch gently, then stop. Let the curls set. Frizz often happens not because of products, but because of hands. Friction is one of the most ignored causes of frizz. Regular towels are rough. They pull moisture out of curls and roughen the cuticle. Same with cotton pillowcases, rough fabrics, aggressive drying curly hair prefers soft fabrics, low friction, minimal movement. Sometimes frizz isn't about what you add, but what you remove. Many people fear humidity, but humidity alone doesn't ruin curls. Imbalance does. When hair is properly hydrated and moisture is sealed in, humidity doesn't create chaos. It only becomes a problem when the hair is already dry. That's why gels exist. Not to make hair hard, but to seal hydration. Curly hair does not need 10 products. It needs gentle cleansing, hydrating conditioning, leave-in moisture. Optional hold. That's it. More products does not equal better curls. Understanding does not equal overcomplicating. Curly hair is affected by weather, hormones, stress, water quality, routine changes. So if your curls look different sometimes, it doesn't mean you failed. It means your hair is alive. Consistency matters more than perfection. Curly hair is not meant to look perfect, it's meant to look alive. A little frizz doesn't mean your routine is wrong, it means your hair is real. When you stop fighting your curls and start understanding them, everything changes. If this helped you, save it for your next wash day, and remember, your curls are not a problem to fix.